Today we're in the Whole Foods in Brooklyn, and this is the downtown Brooklyn location, the one near Atlantic Terminal. Let's check out their flowers section. It's early spring, so you're going to likely see the flowers section pretty much similar to this in most of New York. The prices for these are really good. This is definitely at their peak and prime. And the quality is excellent. Don't you just love the massive amounts of tulips on sale right now? And of course, the orchids are pretty much a staple all year round.